In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple but a super tasty dish. Wet fried dry omena, also known as silverfish. This is popular and nutritious dish in many East African homes, and I will be taking you through every step to make it flavorful and delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to at Sankimu Foods World Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Smash the like button and let's get started. In this recipe, I'm going to use the following ingredients: 1 cup of dry omena, all silverfish, 2 onions but chopped, diced tomatoes, cooking oil, salt, green pepper, dhania or coriander, and then roiko. In this recipe, I started by cleaning my silverfish to remove all shells, worms, and stones that would have remained since it was kept for long. After cleaning my silverfish, I started chopping my dhania, green pepper, tomatoes, and onions. After chopping my ingredients, I pressed my frying pan over the fire. I poured some small amount of cooking oil in it, waited for 2 minutes to get ready. After that, I poured my silverfish in a frying pan to start frying it in order to remove bitterness and boost the flavor. Look everyone, this is my result after frying my omena. As you can see, it looks so delicious. After deep frying my silverfish, I went on pressing my small cooking pot over the fire to start wet frying process. I poured small amount of cooking oil into a pot, waited for few seconds for it to get ready. I then added onions in it. After making sure onions were ready, I added Royco cubes and I had to make sure it dissolves in cooking oil before I added tomatoes. After making sure that my onions are ready and brown, I added my tomatoes in them to start frying them together. Before tomatoes getting ready, I added my silverfish or omena so that they get a bit soft but remain crispy and it's good texture. I had to cover my cooking pot for 1 minute for them to get ready. After that, I added my green pepper and covered it for 5 minutes. After that, I added my coriander and covered it for 5 minutes to wait for it to get ready. So everyone, this is the result after wet frying my silverfish. As you can see, it looks delicious and yummy. Since it's perfect with ugali accompanied with sukuma, I'll start the process of making my ugali, and then after that I'll go ahead with the process of starting to make our sukuma wiki. With sukuma wiki, I'll just use onions, cooking oil and salt. As you can see, I started making my sukuma wiki. I pressed salad into a cooking oil. I waited for 5 minutes. After that, I added my onions and I had to make sure that it becomes brown before I add my sukuma wiki. After making my onions ready, I added sukuma wiki and waited for 5 minutes so that sukuma wiki can get ready. So friends, this is our wet fried dry omena, perfect with ugali accompanied with sukuma wiki. It's ready to be served. Super simple, super delicious, and made right home. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, tag me or drop a comment below to let me know how it turned out. I love seeing your creations, friends. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you have not yet, please, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. I have got tons more delicious dishes coming up your way, from quick weeknight to cozy weekend treats. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Stay inspired, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Thank you so much.